Hey, this is Thomas with Mobile Maintenance Mavericks. Just want to share a little update on a brake job that we're doing on this Infiniti. Once we got everything off, we were able to find out this wheel bearing's making some noise. And if you can listen, that's what a really noisy bad one, and this one is nice and quiet and smooth. So, obviously to ensure the brake job is smooth, quiet, replacing this at this time makes sense for the customer, but also it saves the customer money and another trip to have the vehicle repaired. While we're in here and got all this disassembled, it's really quick and easy to go ahead and replace that faulty part. But that's the importance of having someone experienced to go through when they're doing a service, not to overlook some things that are important while you're here, making sure that the parking shoes have enough material, they're adjusted properly, and that everything in the suspension is okay and safe for the vehicle to be on the road. Thank you again for supporting us, and if you need anything, please give us a call. Mobile Maintenance Mavericks.